Hi, welcome to Sangeetha's creation. Today we'll see how to prepare a simple Poha Laddu recipe. Let's start by adding 1 cup of poha to a pan. We'll dry roast the poha until it turns crispy. Always keep the stove on low flame while roasting the pohas. Turn off the flame and add half cup of desiccated coconut. We'll transfer the mixture to a mixie jar. We'll add 2 cardamom pods along with this, 3/4 cup of jaggery. Consistency of this poha mixture should be like fine semolina, that is rava. We'll keep this aside. Adding in 3 spoons of ghee in a pan. We'll add chopped almonds and cashews, few raisins, chiroli. Raisins have turned puffy, so we'll remove from stove at this stage. Adding it to the poha mixture. Initially, we'll use a spoon to mix the ingredients as the ghee would be very hot. Using my hand to mix the ingredients well. We'll start to make laddus. We'll coat the laddus with desiccated coconut. This is totally optional. I have got 14 laddus with 1 cup of poha. You can store in a container and refrigerate for up to 1 week. Our yummy poha laddus are ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Bye.